look at the bodies hanging on the tree, right? I
Yeah,
think
we
we
were
talked
gonna like
about that.
question him though. That's what I remember.
Yes, yes, but I mean,
Yes, we want to question him.
we used that approach before questioning because we would question him and then we had to finish the session at this time, this moment.
Okay.
Mhm.
So, if no one has any specific question for him now, I think Grilling would like to ask some questions.
Okay.
As in,
Be my
uh,
guest.
so Grilling approaches this one guy. His hands are bound, right, by ropes, I think, or manacles. I think it's
Yeah.
ropes. So, really wants to ask, have you got any family back there in your camp or city or town?
Oh, I'm sorry, I was doing something. Uh,
So, really asks him, have you got any family any family members living with you in your camp or town, whatever it is you.
ugh, why do you want to know?
Because we may have an offer for you and the closest ones to you. You may wish to live a better life than under the chief that is leading you now. So, and also a bonus, uh, no adventurer would be looking up for you, threatening you. I think actually that was, but I think maybe you would like to talk to him.
Mm,
If you want to talk to him.
Oh, you want me to talk to him?
Luneth had this idea, so
Okay.
maybe he wants to talk to him.
Mr. Orc, I
What?
think
Hey,
you might want
hey, sorry
to.
about that. I just got off work.
Oh, it's okay, Doug. Don't worry.
Oh, it's okay. We just get
I'm on
started.
I'm on my phone right now, but I'm walking. I got about like about a half-mile walk to the nearest McDonald's.
It's
It's
fine.
okay,
Sorry,
man.
man.
It's okay.
We're just
No, I'm
talking with
running now.
power.
Sorry about
Can
that.
give
Hey,
you
were we? Hey, I forget which campaign. I get mixed up because I'm in a couple campaigns now.
I don't
Does this
know.
one start at 7 or 7:30?
7 from you, I'm guessing. Yeah.
Okay. Sorry about that. Yeah.
No problem, man.
We are still interrogating the orc anyway.
Yeah, you
Pretty
guys
much moved as quickly as I could today.
take your time. We're not going anywhere. We're just asking questions to the orc that you guys captured.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So, would you like to
I
have a
didn't
better
learn
life?
too much, did I?
No, it just barely started,
Okay.
and then you showed up.
I'll just listen in
So,
while I'm walking. I'll go ahead and mute Mike because I'm not gonna be
Yeah.
able to contribute really. There's only gonna be loud truck sounds near me.
Okay.
Talk to y'all in a second.
Lunit to start.
would you like to have a better life
For
and
you
no
and
threat?
your family?
I am having a better life.
No, you're not.
We've been
You're not.
sitting, drinking with mounds of loot. What better could we ask for?
Maybe for a chef
No
that would.
adventurers. No adventurers ambushing you, perhaps, and killing you with
Ah,
what
every
they
time
say.
when they come, we ambush them, take everything they can.
Not now. It seems the table was turned now.
Yeah. Really, I think Lunith was trying to say something.
Oh yeah. Would your chef not kill you for failure in being captured by us? It's not the way of your people.
Ah, you don't know our leader. He's not like other orcs. Usually, we don't really care for the ones who think before they act. But this one, well, ever since he started leading, nothing's but good's been happening to us.
Well, looks like your good past just ended. We
For
are
now,
useful.
that's what you think.
And there I was going to suggest an even better chef for you. What then can keep you safe and sound within the boundaries of the city and still give you some blood. And our side has better cooks, probably.
No.
No? Damn it. Why not?
By my pride, you do not understand orcs at all. If you want us to serve under you, you have to best us, like every other orc in this area.
We bested you.
Yeah, hiding, setting traps. Yeah, very noble of you. Even I have more honor than you, and I'm raider.
What if I
Didn't you
beat you?
just said that you set traps for travelers as well? What makes it different than our little trap?
But the difference is, we don't want them under us. We just want to rob them. You just want to get me on your side. That's the difference.
Oh, not on our side, of a half-orc side.
I'm half
You were
orc.
just a half-orc that is as strong as any orc and a lot smarter than most of you.
Yeah, I'd like to see that one day. I also like to see pigs fly. Wait, I think I did.
That's a pity. We're going to just assassinate your leader, but if you don't give us any information, then, we just have to kill everybody to make sure that we killed the right guy, and that is not good for your family.
And what, you think you guys are the first ones? Our leader has more enemies than you could count.
Really?
Yes.
Can any of them cast spells?
Yes! One time, a very strong magic user came out of our midst. Nearly wiped out our entire camp.
I'll be right back. Sorry, I'm trying this Wendy's Wi-Fi before I get over to the McDonald's. But I'll be right on.
Wendy's.
It's gonna DC. Yep.
I don't believe it. An orc using magic.
No, a magic user. That's not an orc.
Oh, you have an known orc, and yet you are criticizing our idea of giving you a half-orc leader.
Well, I've seen his strength. Even if it wasn't brute strength, the amount of power he wielded was very terrifying. Luckily, he didn't want to harm us. He just wanted to pass us through. No idea why. He was going to his death anyways.
And if we
memory
prove
serves-
to be stronger than him, would you be willing to serve our half-orc sergeant then?
If you want any of us orcs to serve you, you have to talk to our leader first.
Our leader? Well, to talk to him, we have to know who are we going to talk to.
Mm.
What if we ask the wrong guy? It just won't do, don't you think?
Trust me, you don't know. Of course, you probably will never see him. As soon as you set anyone near our fort, you will be killed.
This is just so unfair. How can we prove we are stronger than your chief? And we have to fight an army before going to him.
That's your problem, not mine.
Oh,
Where can we
Can
find
I-
him?
You see that giant mountain over there? He points in the northern east direction. Oh wait, you guys it's dark, forgot. You guys are still in nighttime settings.
Yeah, Chavaz is,
Night vision.
Chavaz is blind.
Oh yeah, okay,
Oh,
okay, night vision now. So everyone else can see except for Charles. He's just staring in darkness. You see, even with the cloud, with the night falling, you see a very dark figure, what looks to be a very large mountain going from the northeast of your location. There's what seems to be a giant stone door over there, along with our fortress. Go over there if you want to talk to our leader, but I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna die. He won't let you near him that easily.
Can I ask you a question? Are the people in the camp tougher than you?
Yeah.
Are
The
they as easy to beat as you are?
First off, you ambushed us. Didn't even get a chance for a fair fight. Second off, We were already drunk as hell. We just came back from Luton, got hammered. That's why we were arriving at dark.
I
Damn.
think I took down 2 of you, didn't I? Or am I misremembering that? I at least took down 1 of you.
Yeah, you took down 2 drunken orcs, ambushing them in the dark. Congratulations.
I mean,
Well,
if you don't possess
you
the
do.
intelligence to to patrol like without being drunk, that's your own fault, right?
You fought strong, we fought smart, and we won. Who is in the right then? The victor or the conquered? Little orc.
Why don't you just hurry up and go then? You guys are gonna die anyways. And I'll laugh.
You know, if we just go, you're going to stay tied to a tree at night with all of these white animals around.
Most of the animals we killed already. There's not many anything threatening in these parts. And plus, you think I'm weak enough to not survive a night on my own tied to a tree? This isn't the first time you ever been to an orc party.
So somebody already tied to a tree once?
Oh, that was a
You must
crazy
be
night.
awful at patrolling.
It was a crazy night. Varg had 2 bells on top of his head trying to balance him. There was one of the orcs was trying to throw a pig up, trying to make it fly. That was... Another was trying to roll down the mountain in a giant bell. It crashed, but my god, it was amazing. Salute that man. I would salute that man if I could now. Rest his soul.
Mr. Orc, can you tell us anything more about your spellcaster? Is he really as strong as he seems? Is he not tricking you?
I don't know. All I know is most of our area was burnt, was destroyed, crumbled. He stopped after once we let him through the passage. He stopped attacking us. Don't know why though. Don't know what he's after. Don't care.
What do you think, Rowan?
I think he's got no families and no one to join him in the city, and he's not willing to join us for the benefit of the future family. He's not going to give us any more information, so I think we need his ear, and that's all.
If we defeat your leader and your precious spellcaster, would you be willing to serve under our half-orc?
Yeah.
Would you rather die?
Tell you what, if you do somehow manage to defeat my hero, I'll help you convince the others. But like that's gonna happen.
Alright, no hard feelings, because like Raylene just reminded me of this. I'm gonna cut off what was his left ear or something, whatever one that we need for the quota.
Yeah, it's the left one.
Yeah, just in case you get away from us, I'll just cut it off or something. Just put it in a bag. we're collecting these, you know.
What kind are you? Some kind of freak with a very ear fetish? Gross.
Did you cut his ear off?
I think we
Don't
need his
do
ear,
that.
right?
Oh,
Only
okay,
if
but
we
did it-
kill them, not
Yeah.
from the alive ones.
There is a problem because if he goes to the city alive with a near meeting, the Lieutenant Cole will think we are cheating.
Oh yeah, that's true, huh?
Okay. Now I'm connected. Sorry about that, guys.
No problem.
So
Just
we were
sit here.
questioning the orc.
Yeah.
I forgot our situation, to be honest.
Yeah, we already
Yeah,
questioned.
the last living orc of a 4 orc patrol.
Okay. Let me know if there's too much noise that it's coming over for you guys. If it is, just let me know. I'll put on Bush to talk. I just
Okay.
didn't think it was that loud here.
No problem.
So what do we do with our orc?
Have you got any traps in the way? How many patrols are there?
Sorry, I'm eating some candy. I got these special candies that taste like Coca-Cola.
Yeah,
They're pretty good.
they are.
So,
Yeah, the chickens.
so
Thank you. Can I get a cup as well? Can I get a cup? I can.
Can you put on push to talk? You have a lot of background noise.
now, okay, now it. So, what can you say about the traps and patrols?
My God. Give it a minute till Doug puts on push to talk.
I'll just turn them down so I can't hear them. Well, I guess I probably shouldn't do that because he might try to talk later, and I won't be like.
Oh my God, my ears!
Doug, push to talk.
Sorry about that. Now I am good to go for the rest of the session. No more disappointment. Done being such a bad boy.
That is
I think I am in. Ah, yes, camera's on. I hope somebody can see that. The good old camera.
Okay, so like,
Bye.
I guess we were kind of like, what's it called? We're done talking to Zork, right?
yeah.
Yes, because I just mean if he can tell us about traps and the patrols, we might still find. So that might be a useful tip, and then we are going to kill him.
Don't.
Hey, if we kill him, we can take his ear.
Well, we need his ear. So, is he going to talk anything about patrols?
Oh man, that was a good dump that I just took out in the woods.
Oh my
I'm back
God.
now. What happened, everyone?
Do you actually go to the bathroom while you're talking to us, man? Or are you just joking?
I'm saying in character.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
I
he
was
said the
gonna say, like,
woods. He said in the woods.
Yeah, man.
I don't know where you are, man. I was just. I
He's
was
at-
like,
I'm
really,
back
man?
now.
He's at Wendy's. But,
No, I'm out at McDonald's. So Wendy's didn't have plug outlet, so I had to walk the rest of that half mile. That's over here. But now I'm good to go. Got my laptop set up. Got my food. So I haven't eaten today.
Awesome.
Ready to rock and roll.
So, about the information we need, is he need to give anything? Or...
Doug, what is that? Because I'm pretty sure no McDonald's have that kind of sound.
I'll turn it off. It's the music.
Music? What, are they trying to summon Satan at McDonald's? They're trying to...
I have no idea what's going. This is some weird music that they got on.
Okay, so the question was, are there any traps or more patrols that you can tell us about?
We have a couple going around. The leader says we shouldn't know each other's location just in case. And events
How
like
far
these.
How far is the
Okay.
next one from you?
How am I supposed to know?
Okay.
The chief seems to be smart for an orc.
Yeah, that's why we made him leader.
Oh, so you value intelligence. That's new.
After he successfully helped us with a couple of raids, we thought like, you know what? why not? Let's try it. Then things started turning good for us. So we just followed them from then on.
And yet,
Sorry to ask
Yeah.
a question that might have been asked already, but your leader is an orc, right?
Yeah.
Okay, just making sure.
the spellcaster is not though.
The leader and the
What kind-
spellcaster are not the same?
No.
No, there was a spellcaster that came in against the orcs, nearly wiped them out, but let them live just to allow access to the area.
Would you say the spellcaster would find anybody for your sake if you were attacked, or stay neutral?
He doesn't mess with us, so we let him. He hasn't came out of that place the mountain ever since he came. He probably died.
Wait, would you be able to maybe tell a difference between radiant and arcane magic?
What's that?
The guy, did he channel his? Did he, when he cast spells, used a symbol?
How am I supposed to know? We were all running away. Anyone who even looked at the guy died.
Do you know his name? The name of the spellcaster you talk about?
Yeah, like,
That's
hey, I know you're killing all my brothers, but what's your name, man? Yeah, that's very smart.
Hasn't he introduced himself after almost killing all of you?
I don't know. We heard our leader screaming something, then all the fireworks stopped. When we looked, we saw him approaching the leader. They talked for a bit, then he left.
Ah, okay. A lot of fire, said. He used a lot of fire.
From the looks of it, we couldn't really tell. We couldn't even see. It was like the sun was right in front of our camp.
A sun. So I'd say it was maybe a cleric of light or fire domain, or an arcane spellcaster that specializes in fire.
It's a good tip. That's a good clue. We could
Yep.
follow that in the next interrogation.
Do you
Um,
think it might be the priest? The priestess told us about the one that can say what is associated with any deity?
True. Alonsar told us about a priest, but she didn't say the name of this guy, right?
Yeah.
Did she?
No, didn't.
I think we didn't ask.
Are we talking about the busty priestesses or whatever?
Yeah.
No, so
Oh,
we
okay.
do know Alonsar. Alonsar is the priestess who we were talking to, but we don't know the name of the priest. She said that Luinef wanted to talk to, right?
Yeah.
And so
So maybe we will ask the orc when did this happen, because she told us it was around I think a month ago.
mm-hmm.
Mr.
Wait.
Orc.
1 month or 6 months ago?
Yeah.
Oh,
6 months ago, I think.
Yes, between that area time.
okay.
How
6.
long ago did that one guy approach you?
I would say, a couple of weeks ago.
Couple of weeks.
Yeah.
Not months?
We managed to build our fort, that's for sure, but,
Orcs don't do time well?
Yeah, I don't know. That would be my next question. If they do know how to tell time.
that's what our leader says. Usually, if we have any questions, we just ask the leader. Yeah.
Okay. Are
The
we done here?
leader sounds like a kindergartner. Like the chief of kindergarten.
What is that supposed to mean?
Mr.
think she's
Chief,
calling you really
what
stupid.
what time it is? Mr. Chief, what do I do when I get attacked? Mr. Chief, they ambushed me. It's so unfair. Mr. Chief, I'm crying.
Reeling slashed his throat with his sword. and we take his left ear.
Wait, Fabian, kill him already?
Yes.
Yeah, we killed him. So that's 4 years, right? Who's keeping track of years?
We need the ears on the loot, right?
Yeah.
The loot channel.
So you kill
Oh
him
yeah.
Finally.
after destroying his pride and humiliating him. You finally kill him, and you cut off his left ear.
Rin, how could you be so mean? He might be an orc, but he was at least funny.
Do you know what my worry is right now? That we move these bodies in far from the road enough so that no one can find them. That's all what I care about.
Okay then, you move the bodies.
I don't really care about him at all. So what about the loot?
I
You
already
said that
gave you guys the
they-
loot. I already gave you guys loot.
yes, but yes, okay. So I thought that there was something else that they had stolen and we didn't find. But so we are going to approach the next patrol group, right? What time is
Maybe we
it?
should try
It's
to advance
you can see the
stealthily.
moon high, so it's on midnight. From all the time
I think
that's
that we
spent.
should keep moving because I think that this is just a waste of potential troops. I think from what he's told us, I think killing the leader is probably the real only solution to getting the mission done.
Yes, I just
Yeah.
mean we could keep collecting years. This is going to be good for our pockets. So we just need to kill as many as we can until we find the leader. I think.
Yeah, I think we'll probably find people on the way up.
We
Yeah.
should advance, but try to be stealthy and have a lookout. I mean, the patrols tend to be drunk. We can
Yeah.
just go ahead
Stealth. Yeah.
stealthily. And
Should we
look
go
out for
following
him.
the road or beside the road?
Oh,
I don't know.
can you give you guys 1 minute, please?
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah? Okay. Okay. Okay,
You're
I'm back.
zombie.
I'm not so sure. Maybe I have never really thought about
Did
where
you-
this is going to.
Did you never heard about something that may make your soul reincarnate? That it won't be lost? Never?
It sounds like a curse. Reincarnating seems like something I would not want to. I might want to
Why?
live for a very long time, but reincarnation, that seems like a penitence. It doesn't look like a good idea. Why
Why?
would I want to reincarnate?
We alphas, we believe that Quran lets us reincarnate after we die because he wants us to be as perfect as possible, and with each life we're closer to perfection, as close as we could be, possibly.
Well, if
And-
your God couldn't make you good enough in one life,